Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and you click. As you see here in this page of app info, you click on Forcestop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.